I've been part of the project team for the contractors, so mainly running the actual build of the job, getting the building from basically the ground to what you see today. So yeah, it's been my little baby for the last 2 years nearly. It's a bit chaotic today. We've got a lot of furniture coming in, curtains being hung, the artwork going in. It's a lot of lovely things going on and making it sort of homely, ready for the patients to come in and the users to actually use the building, because that's why we build these things, and that's the main purpose at the end of the day.
It's amazing actually, it really is amazing what they're doing. It's going to be a lovely new area for the patients and the staff. I think this is going to work really well.
I think what people can expect to see is a homely feel. It's not a hospital, it's been designed and built to feel like you're at home rather than in a hospital and in a hospice, and it's a great environment for the patients in that way. The project has been amazing throughout the whole project, the design and getting it to look put today. I couldn't be prouder of it, to be honest. All that hard work and effort has paid off to get to the stage that we are today. So yeah, it's amazing.